Are you ready to unleash gaming power like never before? Today we're building the ultimate PC. First, grab your motherboard. Go with the MSI B550. Next, slot in the CPU. Go for an i7 or Ryzen 7 for top-notch performance. Now, add your RAM. 16 GB is great, but 32 GB is lit. Time for the main event. Carefully place your RTX 3080 into the PCIe slot. Secure it well. Moving on, connect your SSD for lightning-fast load times. Mount everything in your case. Don't forget cable management. Messy cables are a gamer's nightmare. Power it up with a solid PSU at least 750 watts. Finally, install your cooling system. Air or liquid, keep it cool, keep it quiet. And there you have it. Your ultimate gaming PC is ready. Fire it up, install your games, and get ready to dominate.